Alright, so this is Horseshoe Lake. Let's do a quick guide and review of the trail. I really don't have much information about like the mileage and the elevation gain of this trail because this is more of kind of like your family style walking trail. But as you can see, it's a very peaceful and beautiful trail. Lots of your typical Alaskan views, the lake and the trees with the beaver dams and all of that Alaskan type vibe is here on this trail. Most of the people you're going to see out here on trail are going to be, you know, people who are visiting on vacation and that sort of thing. So while there is trails that I would recommend to bring like bear spray, you're right beside the national park, the entrance, but then Denali Park, Alaska, and that whole town is right here beside the lake. So there's a lot of people and it's really busy. So you might see some moose, squirrels, beavers, but as far as worrying about bear, I wouldn't be too worried. As far as a review, it's kind of been one of my favorite spots just to come hang out. It doesn't have the, you know, adventurous side as some other trails that I've done, but every time I come here, it's very peaceful. I've met a lot of nice people here on trail and have been able to spend some time alone. So it kind of has everything that you could ask for if you were looking for a, you know, simple hiking Alaska trail. So I give this a 5. It's my first 5, but then it has my stamp of approval, I guess. So there you have it. It's a 5 out of 5. Here in the video, you'll be able to see at least one mountain that I've climbed, Sugarloaf Ridge. If you'd like to check out that video, go ahead and tap one of these bars right here. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this. And as far as this video goes, thank you guys for watching so much. Keep exploring. We'll see you in the next one.